If you want to get more control over how Google Ads measures the value of your conversions, understanding and setting up conversion value rules is a must. These rules let you assign different values to conversions based on factors like location, device, or audience type, giving you a smarter, more accurate way to measure success. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set them up and why they matter for your campaigns. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Ads homepage. Once there, click Sign In at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ones, so that your changes apply to the right campaigns. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Google Ads dashboard, which is your main control center. From here, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Goals. This section is where you set the key objectives for your campaigns, helping Google understand what actions are most valuable to your business. Next, click on Conversions. This is where all your tracked actions are managed, things like purchases, signups, or form submissions. Understanding this section is essential because it's where your conversion value rules will connect. Now, within the Conversions page, look for Value Rules and click on it. This is where you'll create and manage rules that tell Google Ads how to adjust conversion values based on specific conditions. Essentially, conversion value rules let you communicate the real-world importance of each conversion rather than treating them all the same. To create one, click Create Conversion Value Rule. This will open a new window where you can define the criteria for your rule. You'll see options to set adjustments based on location, device, or audience attributes. For example, you might assign a higher conversion value to customers from a high revenue region, mobile users who tend to make quicker purchases, or returning customers who bring more lifetime value. After choosing your condition, you can set a value adjustment percentage. This tells Google how much more or less valuable a certain conversion should be compared to your baseline. For instance, you could increase the value of conversions from mobile devices by 20% or reduce the value from certain regions by 10%. Once you've configured your rule, review everything carefully and then click Save. Your new rule will now automatically adjust conversion values whenever the defined conditions are met, giving you more accurate reporting and smarter bidding optimization. By applying conversion value rules, you're essentially teaching Google which conversions matter most to your business, allowing the system's smart bidding to prioritize the right audiences and drive better results. And that's it. You've successfully set up conversion value rules in Google Ads. This powerful feature helps ensure every dollar of your ad spend is working as efficiently as possible. Thanks for following along. Now that you know how to use conversion value rules, you can take your campaign optimization to the next level and make your advertising truly reflect the value behind every click.